Imagine this: a massive interstellar object, once thought to be a harmless traveler, suddenly changes course, heading straight for Mars. Astronomers are shocked, NASA is on high alert, and the world is holding its breath. What is really happening with 3I Atlas? And could it reshape our understanding of life in the universe forever? But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Tomorrow's Science for more mind-blowing cosmic discoveries. For years, scientists believed 3I Atlas was just another visitor from the distant stars, a celestial nomad passing harmlessly through our solar system. Its incredible speed, over 130,000 miles per hour, made it clear it didn't belong here. It was something foreign, something ancient. But now, that quiet confidence has turned into growing fear. Just a few days ago, Harvard astrophysicists and NASA's Mission Control released an urgent joint statement. Their new data reveals something shocking. 3I Atlas is no longer on a safe path. It's now locked on a direct collision course with Mars. If the calculations are right, the object, nearly half a mile wide, could hit Mars within months, not decades. An impact of that magnitude would unleash energy equivalent to millions of nuclear explosions, shaking the planet to its core. Entire regions could be vaporized. Mars' thin atmosphere could ignite in a storm of dust and radiation. In other words, this wouldn't be just an impact, it would be planetary transformation. Scientists are calling this the most significant cosmic threat since the discovery of Oumuamua, but far more dangerous, because this time, the target is one of our closest neighbors. The real puzzle, however, isn't just the impact, it's why this object changed its path. 3I Atlas hasn't come near any planet or moon that could have pulled it off course. There are no visible gravitational anomalies, no known reason it should suddenly turn toward Mars. So what caused it? Some experts suspect outgassing, jets of gas escaping from beneath its surface, but the data doesn't match any known comet pattern. Others whisper something far stranger. What if 3I Atlas isn't behaving naturally at all? It's a theory most scientists hesitate to say out loud, but the evidence is growing. This object's movements are too precise, almost like it's guiding itself, adjusting its trajectory with purpose. Could it be an alien probe? Or perhaps a planet-seeding device, designed to deliver life to new worlds? And if that's true, then Mars might be its next destination, not by accident but by design. Mars has always been our best hope beyond Earth, a planet that once had rivers, oceans, and possibly life. It still holds frozen water beneath its poles and traces of ancient organic molecules. If an intelligent civilization wanted to plant the seeds of life, Mars would be the perfect target close to the Sun, similar to Earth, and waiting for rebirth. Could 3I Atlas be carrying the building blocks of life, or something far more advanced? Something that could awaken Mars from its long cosmic sleep. NASA's tracking stations are watching every move. Each day, the object drifts closer, and its strange activity continues. Bright flashes, energy bursts, and heat signatures have all been detected, as if something inside 3I Atlas has begun to activate. No one can yet explain what's happening. Is it an ancient machine reawakening after eons in space? Or simply a natural, unpredictable visitor from the stars? Whatever it is, one thing is certain: the countdown has already begun. If the collision occurs, it will be visible even from Earth, a brilliant flash that could outshine the moon for weeks. The aftermath might create a massive crater, possibly releasing subsurface water and reshaping the Martian landscape forever. It could destroy, or it could create. It could mark the end of Mars as we know it, or the beginning of something extraordinary. So now we face the ultimate question. Is 3I Atlas a cosmic disaster, or the start of a new chapter for life in our solar system? Is this the universe showing us destruction or creation? Whatever the answer, humanity is witnessing history in motion, a story that may define our place in the cosmos forever. So what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Tomorrow's Science, where we uncover the mysteries of the universe, one discovery at a time.